So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we'll be discussing about what is actually Web5. Recently Jack Dorsey commented that he will be launching Web5. So what is Web5? We'll be discussing about it in detail. I'll be explaining it to you, so you don't need to worry, you just need to watch the video till the end. But before I start the video, come on guys, I'm saying it repeatedly. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Always comment, drop your review, whatever you feel. So I hope you have done this. Now let's start with the video. So basically Web5 name came, it's like combination of Web2 plus Web3. So it's Web5. Jack Dorsey believes that it will be like greater than both of them. And Jack Dorsey will launch Web5, his company basically, TBD company. So will launch TBD business, a business unit will launch Web5 basically. So what actually is Web5 is that it will be based on Bitcoin only. Like Web3 can be run on Solana, Ethereum, like Avalanche. So many chains can run Web3, right? But Web5 will only be based on Bitcoin. Why he said so? Because he feels the other chains are still centralized. Like, yeah, you call them decentralized, but the majority of holdings of those chains, the majority of data of those chains is controlled by venture capitalists, the big venture capitalists, the founders, and their close relatives. That's who all control the data. But Bitcoin is not controlled by anyone. That's what he believes. I'm not saying I am 100% agreeing with whatever he said, but I'm just giving you his viewpoint. So he said, like, he'll launch Web5. So basically, I'll tell you the basic idea behind Web5 is basically a decentralized storage which will focus more on identity. Now, let me tell you with an example. Suppose you use 2 3 apps for listening to music. All right, there's Amazon Prime Video, there's YouTube, there's Spotify. You are listening to three three apps to listen to music videos, right? So suppose the music videos you are listening on YouTube won't be won't be like uh what should I say, won't be shown in Spotify. You have to again it that playlist you are listening on YouTube won't be showing on Spotify or Amazon Prime, right? So with this Web 5, you don't need to like create a playlist again and again on various apps. You just need to enter your data once. And once you enter your data, it will automatically be stored and you can open Spotify, you can open YouTube. I'm just giving you examples, alright? There will be decentralized applications only in which these data can be loaded. It can't be loaded on YouTube and Spotify, but yeah, it can be loaded on all the decentralized applications. So suppose you are listening on a music on A, you are listening to 510 music of your playlist on A, then you want open B, so that same playlist will load. So it's a good feasible thing. Basically it came like you are entering your password at 100 places, like you have account in Facebook, Instagram, and so many places, but and you have to remember the email ID, password, phone number of all the places, but this will not be the case. You just enter it once and it's saved and you can access all the apps. So that's the basic idea behind Web5. And second idea is to make it completely decentralized, to remove all decentralization. So developers can only focus on developing. Right now, developers also focus like, what if someone loses the data and all these details also they focus. What if there's some centralization risk? What if this happens? That all need that all things need not be focused by the developers. So they only need to focus on how to build their apps. So it frees the developers, it frees the users. Like users are free, like they know their identity is secured and they don't need to enter it again and again at various places. So that's the basic idea behind Web5. And if I tell you in a nutshell, it's basically to bring feasibility to us. Like we don't need to remember a password of each and every place. That's all. I don't know if it will be successful because right now Web 3.0 adoption is also not at a like a crazy high level. Right now Web 3.0 is making its mark. So will Web 5 make its mark? It's a point to be seen. But Jack Dorsey is a great entrepreneur. I believe that. And let's see if it works. And if it really works, we might see some great value of Bitcoin because right now Bitcoin has limited value. It doesn't have a lot of decentralized applications. If Web5 comes, the decentralized applications can only be built on Bitcoin chain. So there's whole value is of Bitcoin. So if it really comes and if it's successful, we might see Bitcoin becoming emerging as a leader in decentralized field as well. Right now, like in decentralized finance, we don't hear Bitcoin too much because there are not too many dApps or application or DEX being built on Bitcoin. If this venture of Jack Dorsey is successful, we might see it. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, make sure make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit your keyboard in typing your comment. And guys, as you know, I made this video because one of our followers, subscribers, I shall say, one of our supporters requested me to make a video on this topic. So guys, if you want me to make a video on any topic, you can also request me in the comment section below. So thanks a lot, guys. That's it for the video. See you in the next video. And guys, yeah, in the next video, crypto discussion part 3 is coming. So stay tuned for it. And don't forget to watch the next video. Alright, bye.